So a lot of people have been asking me this question. Where should I put my keyword? Is it my subtitle or my title or in the 7 backend box, which we call the 7 backend keyword? So I decided to tell you which one is better from statistics, and we're going to be doing a practical result and see what really prompt in the result. So what I'm going to be doing is you are going to turn this from here, from all department first to books, because books is made up of both the hardcover, it's made up of the Kindle version, and even the paperback. So let's turn this to books. Then we'll come here and start with the search cookbook, because that is what we'll be using for practical. Let's assume you want to make cookbook. What comes up? So we're going to put the first keyword here, cookbook, which is a very short tail keyword. That means there will be a lot of people who has added this cookbook either to their description, either to their title or subtitle, or even to their 7 backend keyword, or even down to the category. So Amazon is going to index the word cookbook and try to rank which book should pop out first on the first page. So what is the first book that comes when we type in cookbook? Over how many results here? We have 70,000. So the reason why it's 70,000 is we're going to be trying many things. The first thing we have when we say cookbook under this category books, let's see what it comes when we search for the word cookbook under all department. We're going to have at least a higher result from okay, now we have 100,000, and the first book here is cooking in real life. So when you try to use the word all, it means even the search, those on sponsored ad and those not on sponsored ad are going to show. You can see we have this bestseller still running ad. You can see by the top right here for this one, you can see if we come here, we have something looking like this. So this one at the top, you can see this belongs to the category and is ranking number 8 in holiday cookbook. I want you to look by the right. Then when you come here, this is ranking number 1 in Western Union cookbook. Then if you come to this one is ranking number 1 in seasonal cooking. So that means your subtitles, your title, and even your category matters so well. So the cooking in real life and the bestseller, all these are bestseller. Then moving down, only few people will want to change from this to books. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are covering just the word cookbook. Then we go further and see what's better. So now we have the word cookbook. We're going to leave this cookbook on the search and see the results that come up. Now you can see under the books, we have this one coming up under this publisher, complete 80K cookbook by American Test Kitchen. When you see something like this, you should be careful because all these are trademarked. If you decide to go and use the same name in your book, you might get terminated. Yes, your account might get terminated. That's why you check for trademark. And if you want to check for trademark, it's so simple. Go straight to my YouTube channel, which you are watching, and search for trademark, and you're going to see how to check for trademarks. All right, so now we have this word cookbook. How come this word was the first one that gave us the search? If you move down, how come we have this as the second search? Which factors, which metrics did they use to consider this? Number one is this word here is the first thing they use to index any search. That means if I come here and change this to cook B-O-Y, they're going to try to use their sense and say C-O-O-K is cook. That is why you can see close to it. What if we now get this? You see, we say C-O something like this, cook boy. Let's see if this in here will change or it's going to be cook boy. So you can see Amazon is trying to say, what is this? You see, they keep on changing the search for you, trying to do autofill and auto suggest for you. So now, if you move down, you can see the reason why this appears because we are having this word cookbook in the title, and if you come here, we don't have it. And secondly, we have the word cookbook even in the series. That means these people are mindful of the SEO, which is search engine optimization, of how Amazon metadata really works. So it moves down to check this very well and see we're having cookbook. Let's go to the next one and see what's here. You can see here we have cook here and we have cookbook in the subtitle. Okay, this is here subtitle. Let's go to the third one and see. We have unapologetic cookbook, number 1 New Times. So this one can make himself or herself New York Times bestseller because they have given it to him. So if you decide to add this to your book, you will get terminations immediately. You don't add New York Times bestseller. So now if we move down to this now, we want to further down, we're going to put space. For you to know what next, just put space like this. then it's going to bring down a lot of suggestion. So now you can see we have Mediterranean diet cookbooks, fat liver cookbook, Blackstone greedy cookbook, cookbooks with bonus, cookbooks protein healthy, air fryer cookbooks. All these are suggestions that Amazon gives. So if I put another space, nothing comes, it remains. You can see we have cookbook recipes, cookbook for beginners. According to demographics, we have for kids, we have for young chef, we have for teens, we have for bachelor. Then we have, according to reasons, yes, purpose, we have the weight loss. If there's any other one we can check, we have. So when we click on weight loss, let's see what really comes from this. If it's this book, you can see the first search has changed. We have another result being searched at this place. How do you really come in first position? Some even said that the second page doesn't really matter. Trust me, the second page matters. Let's go to the second page. You will still find other books who are doing so pretty well. You can see we have books here that are selling, books of 1995 still selling till now. Other books 2023 last year are carb cycling cookbooks, your key to fitness, a complete guide to loss and high carb meals, effective exercise plans, an easy way to lose weight, build muscles and get in shapes. Yes, the reason why this person do this, I'm going to tell you as time goes on how to really craft your subtitle. You can see this is very beautiful. We can from behind or anywhere see the bold title that was used for this. People don't care about the subtitle. They really care about what's here and some image they can see, and the coloring. Coloring matters. Let's go to the third page again and see what we have. If there, you can see here we have this word cookbook, but we are talking about weight loss. Let's see. This does not have exact word weight loss, but I believe this was indexed because the 7 back-end keyword will contain something like weight loss. Now the big question is, what is the most important factor? What is the considered factor when it comes to writing your title or your subtitle? What I would say is the first thing that matters to Amazon, it's your title. So let's say you're creating a book. This is the first place Amazon tend to check. So anyone who has the word cookbook or anyone who has this word, let's just say anyone who has this cookbook for weight loss, definitely will have that immediately. For example, we come here and say cookbook for or let's just say vegans. We decide to say vegans cook book. You can say for weight loss if you feel like, but I don't think this is even ideal to just go there for weight loss. Instead, just say for kids or for adults, if you or for boys, depending on the keyword you're searching, because the more you niche further, the more the search result comes lower. You can see we have 50,000. You can see you can now come here and say vegan's cookbook. If you come here and put vegan cookbook for weight loss, and you're going to see the benefit of vegan, you can see the result has reduced to 20,000. So this is what you're really targeting. You are targeting cookbook, but advice, instead of you to say cookbook for weight loss, it's better you just say the vegan cookbook instead. That should be your first target. Vegan cookbook. Then at your subtitle, you can now say, okay, for boys, you can now come here to say for a beginner's cookbook. You are targeting many keyword cookbook to lose weight. From here, if you have any other thing you want to put, you can put it there. Strengthen muscle, but I advise you make them pair them 2 by 2. Pair them 2 by 2, because if you come to this place and this subtitle, if we come to the subtitle here, let's say you come to this place, we're trying to see the most keyword that was used. Okay, this is still loading. It's still loading. So if you move down, you can see we have another one. This one does not. This one have weight loss. That is why we have these 2 words. We have another word, health. Then if you come here, you are going to check which word are they using more frequently. If you come down here again, you can see plant-based weight loss solution. We have this word again, cookbook. We have healthy way. Yeah. Then if you move down again, we still have another vegan cookbook, plant-based diet cookbook, and quick easy. The reason why this appeared here is because we use this word vegan cookbook. So put this in mind that the most important place, it's your title followed by your subtitle. Then over here you can now come to your subtitle, to your 7 backend keyword. This is very, very important. So for you to feel that I'm going to tell you how this thing really works and how Amazon try to use varieties when it comes to the 7 backend keyword in my next video. So for example, I want to get this. I want to get what these people, what should I really fill in here? This matters. In case you don't have your keyword in your title and your subtitle, which is not advisable, it's better you fill them as well. If you don't have them, for example, you're talking about some other stuff and you know it's related to cookbook and you want to fill it here, then it's better you come here and just put this here, put space and see what comes up, which suggestion they give you. If they don't give you any suggestion, then you have to be tricky in this aspect. So I'm going to now get all this and just come here, right? Cookbook. Then I'll put space and see what comes up. Okay, we're supposed to have something like 2 hole inside here. So I'm going to come out and put some space. Let's just put some space. Now you can see over here, now you're going to pick what is related to the kind of book you are doing. You're talking about vegans. You're talking about beginners. So back end here, you're going to put cookbook for beginners. You're going to come here now and see weight loss. You're going to add this as your 7 back end keyword. Then at the vegans, you're going to check if we have anything like vegans. Then you're going to say cookbook for and see what comes up. Then if you want to do by demographics, you're going to say for kids, comma. Don't put comma, sorry. Put for kids. This is what I mean. For example, you want to write the back end keyword. You can now say cookbook for kids, women, boys. I'm going to tell you why you should do it like this in the next video. But if you're just joining me here on my YouTube channel, I just, here on my YouTube channel, I talked about a lot of stuffs and I talked about Amazon KDP, how this has been useful. And a lot of people are getting comment and say this channel has been good to them. And a lot of people send me message when it comes to Amazon because everyone wants to be productive. Some want to get access to Canva Pro, which I give access. So you can chat me up if you want to get access to Canva Pro. Even as well, if you want to earn. For example, you want to earn the small token in my third account, you can just go as well and just chat me up. Then I'll tell you what and what you should do to really get on stuff. Trust me, Amazon platform is really a big platform. It means it pays so well. All you have to do is to just know what really works, find someone who knows how to do all these stuffs, and what you should do to be the best seller as time goes on. So I believe this channel is helpful to you and you want to give me a subscription and you want to share this video to your friends. You want to like this video. If you can like it 5 times, do that as well. And know this, the 3 most important place, or in fact, let me add one, is number 1, as I've said, is your title. Number 2 is your subtitle. Fill it. Number 3, it's your what? This last one here. Then number 4 could be your category. Then number 5 could be this place. This is what we call Amazon metadata. If someone asks you how optimized is your metadata, is it SEO minded? Ensure you don't just write, even in generating your description, ensure it's SEO, which is search engine optimization. Optimize it for Amazon search so that when Amazon is indexing your keyword, they will just get it and check your title, your subtitle, come to your 7 backend keyword and see you have a lot of information they can work with. Then they'll start recommending your book and ensure you have quality books, good cover designs. Then you will start seeing good sales. I believe you want to watch the next video, which means how does this 7 backend keyword really works? How do Amazon look at it? That's what I'll be explaining so that you know the best way to do this 7 backend keyword so that you don't just fill in and choke here with a lot of write-up or these 50 characters that they ask, because this is total of 50 characters. You want to know what Amazon really check. Does quotation apostrophe like this matters, or does comma matters on the 7 backend keyword? That is what I'll be talking on the next video. So thank you for watching. You can check the description for this, or you can just check the video after this, or you can check my channel after this and see how the 7 backend keyword works. So thank you for your time and thank you for watching.